Here I have BYD CLU, and let me show you amazing feature from BYD infotainment system. So the side mirror tilt while reversing. Let me show you how to find the settings with this feature and how to enable it. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of your BYD. Let's choose here the settings icon. From the list of settings, you can choose the vehicle tab on the left side. And now let's choose here the comfort driving, as you can see here. And here, let's choose the tilt while reversing. Let's enable this feature just by using this toggle. So right now, when you put the car in reverse, the side mirrors tilt down so you can see the curb and avoid scratching the wheels. So let me show you how it works. Basically, let me put my camera here. So now if you put the reverse, so here, your side mirrors just tilt down. Let me show you again. All right, let me put reverse, as you can see here. So it's quite useful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.